Hello, people. This is Bess. All year in Georgia. Um, that's where I live. I'm in Georgia. Yes, that picture's right there is on my Facebook page. If you can find me. Alright, today I'll be showing you what I use for bass and catfish. First is my catfisher. I use a 7-foot medium action rod with if y'all can tell me that brand right there. Let's see if I can get it in there. Yeah, it's a pink one, by the way. Pink right there. She used to be my deep sea rod. Yeah, it's a now my catfishing rod since I don't go to the ocean that much. And so yeah, it's about 7 feet, but not anymore because of that snapped. There's another couple of inches. Next will be my crappie rod. This is what I use for small bass or anything. Use the Zupco 33, but on a Zupco RT Slasher, I think. And then that's the 30-30. I have a 202, and then I got a 400 and something, I think. But those are like up and away. This rod goes about until there, and it has 10-pound line on there. Both of these rods do. This is, I don't know how long, maybe about 10 feet, like 4 feet, I'm guessing. 4 feet, it's probably around there, because I'm 5 foot something. Yeah. Right now I have on there is this little homemade lure. I actually made this one with some old lures and mold. What I did was cut that out. Used dry from another mold. 10-pound line. If you can hear that, you could probably. That's where I got this from. I got this with another one of these. Actually came with the rod that came with this rod. You can get in my package. Next will be my second bass reel. I use Con 400. Con 400. That's if y'all can tell. Medium action. 66 feet 6 inches. 6 feet 6 inches. And about 10-pound line on there. Yeah, there's actually 2 colors of line on here. There's red, wait, just white. Yeah, this one's just clear. That's about what? 10-pound line. It's actually really easy to see on this thing because it's this is way old line. That's why I got the drag so low on this freaking thing. Yeah. But the snaps will go on there just in case I want to put a lure on there. Instead of soft plastics, a lot of times I put lures on this and spinners. Yeah. So yeah. Next will be the rod I mainly just catch my bass on. It's the same brand Have you guys see a Black Max reel? You can tell this is what I like to use because it always has my same lure on there. I have other soft plastics than this. I just use it like that. But I don't know what size below it. It's like 15 braided line. Friends tell me never to use braided line on these things, but I don't really care. I've never got it messed up because the little dial right there works. So just let it until it sinks with the button. Tighten it all the way up first. Press the button. If it doesn't fall, go until you see it fall right down to the ground. And just leave it. It works like literally like so easy. Like literally, I got this for a present actually. This is 6/9 medium heavy action. Medium. They're the two bigger rods are mediums, and then I don't know if for the smaller one, I think it's like 2 feet. Like the lowest setting. Yeah, that's actually my bum. Actually, one of those with me. Now into the lures, okay? Alright, let's start with this big old thing. Alright, first, what we'll do is we'll start with all my hard baits. Okay. First, let me do something. Okay, I have one of these. This is one I built. Caught most of my fish on here. Yeah, you probably do want to know what that sound is actually. In 5 minutes, I'll actually tell you. Okay, right now in my tackle box, I have 4 types of these little spinners. There's one of them. I had a bigger one of these. The color on there, color on the blade. I have a lighter one. It's one of my lighter ones. Bigger bell. Doesn't even work. I cut the hair off of this one. Because the hair did nothing besides hide the hook. Normally I hide it with some trout bait because this is the trout one. I have a smaller one for smaller bass for nighttime. For crappie, I sometimes use these. Short, long. The longer one has not been modded. Sometimes use these for both bass and crappie. Both colors. Beetle spins. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. I got black and yellow. I got this color. By the way, these are the bigger ones. Only get the bigger ones. Got green and black. I got light green with black, and then I got red with the white and then a red dot. And then more crappie. Sometimes I'll use these. This is actually a pretty old lure. I've been trying to find these y'all, anyone knows where they are, please send where you can get them in the state you can get them in, or wherever the store is. And I have one like that too. I have a yellow one to match my purple one. Yeah, I actually organized them by color. I got a big bite hook. Those actually I love. With a, I do not know what this thing's called, but I know that a little miniature fly. Little fly with a little light on there. It works actually really well. Some grubs. For a minute, that was actually probably my girlfriend. Okay. Little miniature ones of those. A grub from a catfish. And then more of these big bite ones. When you get these, I think they come in a 5-pack, I think. And I just use them and use them and use them. And then, yeah. Like Target Frog with the small, with it cut small. And I'm trying to find a way where I can get lighter ones. Like Bass Pro Shops, light, like really light ones, not as heavy as this. Haven't casted this on my Burden line yet, but I will soon. It's top water. A lot of my baits caught on spinners, bass are caught on jig heads and spinners. The biggest lure I have in my collection is actually this one. My friend actually gave this one to me. For when I was trading them some of my old lures I really don't like. Yeah, I traded some of my old ones for them. That's that. Next we're going to my smaller box. What me and my friend mostly catch your stuff on. I got a Rapala jerk shad. Me and him, this thing's been bit like totally 24/7. We actually found this one in the lake with a bass on it, to a log. We're lucky. Guy that was fishing right there, using an old lure, and we got so close we could get closer because we were on a paddle boat. Yeah, he's lucky. I have a spinner, green one, with Mystery Twisters grub, original size. I have this color, 2 blades, 1 blade, and then the one I use mainly during the winter is a brand new one. This one, in white and blue. Most of my bass during the summer caught on this one, fall, this one. I did actually have a spring one, but my friend really wanted it, and it was actually one of the cheaper ones. Those are actually from Walmart. Anything from Walmart I get, since I can just go by there. Like, I live literally like 10 minutes away from Walmart. It's actually pretty good. Lure, this thing, rattle trap. Me and my friend hate these things. Well, I kind of like them sometimes, but not when they're like so big. None of the bass, all the bass I catch are big, 10 times bigger than that. And they'll go for something like this, or like really big. I have this one, rattle trap. I have its brother, this one's brother. It's from the same family, but it's different. It's like that, and friend from Boy Scouts. I was in